subscriber, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful and delicious Thanksgiving dinner under $15. I paid $14.75 for this Thanksgiving dinner. I paid 84 cents for my biscuits, $1.76 for the cranberries. Each packet of potatoes was 78 cents. The turkey was $3.82. The sweet potato was 28 cents. The gravy was 40 cents. The turkey dressing was 88 cents. The mac and cheese was 43. The cream of mushroom was 54 cents. The corn was 50 cents. The green beans was 50 cents. The pie crust was $1.26. The chocolate pudding was $1, and the Cool Whip was 98 cents. To start my Thanksgiving dinner, I am going to take my turkey and put it in a bowl, along with my dressing and half of my cream of mushroom soup. You want to mix this well. Now that I have mixed my turkey and my dressing and my cream of mushroom up well, I am going to put it into my meatloaf pan and make it into a loaf shape. That my turkey is in my meatloaf pan, I am going to put it in a 400-degree oven for 45 minutes. I have drained my green beans and I'm going to put them into a bowl and put the other half of the cream of mushroom soup in with my green beans. And I am also going to put 1/4 of a teaspoon of my house seasoning, and I'm going to mix this well. I am going to add my green beans into a baking dish. I'm going to layer that out. I'm going to take my sweet potato and poke some holes in it with a fork. Then I'm going to put a little oil on it and some salt. Then I'm going to wrap it up into the oven with the turkey. While my turkey and my sweet potato is in the oven, I am going to make the dessert, which is chocolate pie. Just take the pudding and put it into the pie shell. And you want to smooth this out, make it an even layer. Once you have your chocolate pudding layered out evenly, take your whipped cream and lay on top of the chocolate pudding. You want to smooth down the whipped cream. My dessert is done. I'm just going to put the top onto my pan and put this in the fridge until it's time to eat. There's 15 minutes left on my turkey loaf. So in this pot, I have 1 cup of cold water, and I'm going to put my gravy pack into the water and start whisking it. And I'm going to turn the heat on to medium, and I'm going to whisk this until it's thick. In this pot, I have 4 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of butter. I am going to turn this eye onto medium, and this is for my potatoes. In this pot I have 6 cups of water, and I'm going to turn it on to medium heat so I can cook my macaroni and cheese in it. My turkey loaf is done. I am going to take it out of my meatloaf pan. Slide it onto a plate. And I'm going to put the gravy over top of my turkey loaf. I'm going to save some of the gravy for our potatoes. My butter has melted in my potato water, so I pulled it off of the stove, and I'm going to add in my potato flakes. Then I'm just going to gently mix those together. It does not take long for these potatoes to get thick. Macaroni water is boiling, so I will drop my macaroni into the pot. And I'm going to let that cook for 10 minutes. My macaroni is done cooking and I have drained it. I am going to use some of my basic staples in my kitchen. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of butter, and I'm going to stir that until it melts completely. My butter is melted, so I'm going to put a 1/2 cup of milk into my pot with my macaroni, and also the cheese pack that came in the box of the mac and cheese, and I'm going to mix this well. For my biscuits, for easy cleanup, I'm putting aluminum foil on my baking dish and spraying it with some cooking spray. And I have my oven heated to 400 degrees. I'll open my biscuits and just put them on the aluminum foil. I am going to put this in a 400 degree oven for 10 minutes. Sweet potato has finished cooking, and I have taken it out of the oven, and I'm going to make a small slit in the aluminum foil. Squeeze the sweet potato, and in there I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of butter, a little bit of brown sugar, and some cinnamon. Once you have all the ingredients inside of your sweet potato, just take a spoon and slightly stuff it inside so the brown sugar and the cinnamon can go all the way through the sweet potato. For my corn, I have my eye on medium and 1 tablespoon of butter in my skillet. I'm going to let this butter melt. My butter is melted. I will add my can of corn into my skillet and a little bit of my house seasoning. And I want to fry this corn for a couple of minutes. My Thanksgiving dinner consists of green bean casserole, gravy, fried corn, biscuits, a turkey loaf, mac and cheese, sweet potato, mashed potato, and cranberry sauce. If you like this video or you want more videos to see how you can save money and feed your family, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.